excited to be participating in this challenge hosted by Leah of Junkernecker and Melissa of Melissa Makes It DIY. And we are to do a tray. We are to repurpose or upcycle a tray that we may have or thrifted and make it something pretty or something that's our own. So I'm excited to be doing this, and I hope you'll like my video. If you do, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. I have done challenges and collabs with both of these ladies, and I'm excited to be doing this one. Both of their channels are listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. For this tier tray, I'm using the last of these two plates that I've had, and I thrifted this for $5.99 at Goodwill. It's pricey, but I thought it was pretty. I like the shape of it. I like the leaves and the detail on this tray. I gave them a good wipe down before spray painting them. I used this Rust-Oleum paint in hammered black. I thrifted these items. I got this little cow for 50 cents. I got this little pitcher for $1. I love the shape of it. And I got all these at Habitat for Humanity. And I got this little dish for 50 cents. I thought it was nice for fall. And I got this little bitty cow. It looks like it was a toothpick holder for 50 cents. I spray painted these three items with just the Walmart white spray paint. The coverage wasn't the best, but it was all I had, and I was almost out, so I barely had enough. And here's my tray. I love how it turned out. That black just pops. And I love the detail. Even the plates have some of the embossed detail of leaves and grapes. And I thought it went well. And I can also lift up the plates if I just want to hold a stack of plates for like holidays and such. I painted spots on my little cows just with a Sharpie paint pen, and I love how they turned out. I ended up not using the little dish, but I'll use it sometime. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.